Good afternoon and welcome on board Motor Yacht ELENI. My name is Romina Sturpin. I have been in yachting industry for over 10 years, but for the past 4 years I've been acting as Chief Stewardess on Motor Yacht ELENI. Today I will be presenting you our signature cocktail, LEMONITO. So for this you would need lime juice, lemon juice, mint sugar, limoncello, white rum, today we're using Bacardi, some ice and sparkling water. Today, as we're making the long drink, we're going to start with a tall glass. I'm going to start with 6 mint leaves, depending on the side. I'm going to cut them in half. I'm going to add some mint sugar. I'm using a mint sugar prepared by our chef on board, Karen, and it's a 2-leveled spoons. I'm going to use a muddler just to start mint oils to flow. So just crush it a couple of times. That's enough. I'm going to pour in lemon juice, 20 ml, also 20 ml of lime juice. I'm going to add some ice. And ice you can decide on yourself how much you like. Okay, so you're going to add light rum. You're using Bacardi, 30 ml or 1 shot. I'm gonna add limoncello. Limoncello, I'm using the homemade one. We do our limoncello on board ELENI as well. And gonna use a spoon just to mix it all up. And to top it up, we'll use sparkling water. Gonna use some lemon slices and lemon to finish it off, and also some mint leaves. Enjoy your drink. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a fun time producing this LEMONITO at home. We're looking forward to welcoming you on board Motor Yacht ELENI so we can prepare a signature cocktail for you. Thank you.